It doesn't always sound like fear. It sounds like responsibility. Be realistic. Think it through. Now isn't the time. And it makes sense. Until you notice you've been thinking longer than you've been moving. Calling doesn't usually shout. It whispers. It persists. It doesn't disappear just because you ignore it. Fear feels urgent. Calling feels steady. Fear asks you to stay safe. Calling asks you to step out. And the hardest part, both voices can sound reasonable. One protects your comfort. The other protects your purpose. And only one requires courage. This is the quiet war.